Yeah, well I don't know King Lazarus. Plead my cause. Live studio session. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Man a steel, man a lightning. When thunder a clap, it sound frightening. Black rain fall, it no fall lightly. When you're born and when you're dead, it untimely. Lord God, pandemic, whole crisis. Where the Buddha, where the Allah, where the crisis is weeping.
Now, when you see the title for this, Messi Hitm gets slapped where. Now, this video, I did it long time ago, and I download it and set it up back, remaster it. But these guys picture in front of you right here, that's Lucia, the Don, down in our castries, down in the slums, at Imaron, St. Lucia. Now, you have another youth right here, and that's Cooley. Cooley is in jail right now for some shit with the man them we him not do, and the man them a try frame him. You have a whole bag of man, Cat. You have Lean Back. Me have to talk about them. You understand? Not in this video. I'm just playing this video to get you guys warm up for the part 3 that's gonna drop. Cause I'ma drop part 1, this is part 1. I drop it a while back, then we do a part 2. Yo, they're gonna drop the part 3, and they're gonna answer all of the questions them from Lean Back, Bowler, Cooley. Go right back. You understand? Cause Bowler, me know your right name. Yannick, you have a girl name. See? Me just I tell you, me know everything. So now sit back, watch this video, and tomorrow, look out for the new video for St. Lucia. Yo, broke badness. Let's go.
Yo ka filme ganja, well, bete tête ça ka fait la popla. La filme sort dans ça comme on va. Marcher mon camp ou kay brise baka. Slap baka show ou kay couille force là. Tout ça qui croit yo show et ben ça qui croit yo fou. Balle tête tout ça ka pété venou tout. So pas quoi ou show et ben pas quoi ou fou.
Yo, that youth there, named Messi. He is a national bike rider and an artist, so it named there St. Lucia. But he is also a hitman, a contract killer. Them fling him where me I telling about him. But yo, you see before me wait name there, go me want say something. You know say, I've been a lot of places. I have a lot of friends all over in the Caribbean, all over the world. But you see the man them at Trinidad, dog. Me nah lie, as some of the line is set a blood clot, man them dog. Yo B, most of them wear 2 faces under 1 hat. And that my mother used to say. The man them at Trinidad, line a bomb clot. That's all I say. With that said, let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Yeah man, that was well said about Trinidad. Now, you see that youth here? Him name Messi. And believe it or not, the youth was in a gang with them called OTF. All for the family. You understand? And him was a contract killer. Believe it or not, enough people I rejoice say that youth are dead. And it kinda sad. Him say him never care, and to me him kinda delusional. That's why I say fully dunce, because it is an artist when you hear music and I him this in a video, but at the same time him out there I kill people for money, and him kill real people like the man them say. Word on the street is that him a do things for bike, chain and money. Now the leader of the OTF, or the man who run it, is a youth named Bolo. Me not have him picture, but when me get him picture, me I go put it up. And you see Bolo, him a war with a youth named Hennessy. Now, you see Hennessy, him father is from St. Vincent and his mother come from St. Lucia. And him live in a place named Marigo. So, them two man a war, and I can Hennessy slap with a one ya, with him name Messi. But it could be also Bolo them were flinging away. You know why? Because you had voice messages going around saying the man them get tired of him, Messi, cause him do some real effort. Bolo and Hennessy start war because Independence Day, in the broad day, the youth named Hennessy, remember we talked about Hennessy earlier, him slap with Bolo brother Kevin, you understand? And then the man them jump on a boat and take off. The coast guard them catch the man them, and a youth get arrested and charged feet, and that set off a big war with Bolo and Hennessy them. The youth Messi in par with Bolo, and when Bolo get the contract work, you understand, him or the man we go do the job. Now the youth him can ride bike, him is an artist, and you hear him when you see music, see him there, and you want to tell me say at that him really take him talent and do. It's like the same corruption we go on at Trinidad, I go on St. Lucia. Mother call St. Lucia a little Trinidad, because chain, money and bike. Me here say all the youth Messi him go St. Martin's and rob people and rob bike and come back. Him do that through Bolo, cause Bolo I want a real big man over there. And all of them props in the video, a Bolo I supply them.
Mount a war where man binge you, mount a face where man bust dog, mount a style where man a kill them with, boy.
Now, when you hear me say St. Lucia come in like little Trinidad, now that tune there is a youth named Dan Chorus from Guyana, and him do that tune there for a youth named Banan. Now Banan is a next big man, cause Hennessy is a young youth, you know, and him a war with Bolo. So people I wonder how him getting money. But word on the street is the youth who put out that video, the producer, when he and Banan, cause them say him have real money. You understand? And him have found NEC in that warrior with ball of them. When you see man are dead. Now when you see Messi dead. So some people have it to say at NEC take out Messi. Cause you know Messi spar with Bolo. And them take out Bolo brother Kevin. But the youth Messi take out enough for them youth too. You understand? And do some real things so enough people are rejoice say Messi gone. I just tell you the truth, you know. All the people them down there. And you see St. Lucians, them kind, when we realize with even the journalists, maybe them afraid still, but them are really going into details in a certain things. Like for other places. Even Trinidad going into more detail when it comes to certain things. And Jamaica. And St. Lucian, the journalists and they're just like be basic. Now, who follow the channel, remember say me do a story upon them gun here, and me I say look upon the gun with the man them a fire in a St. Lucia. Cause when you can check the video and check the channel out, but look upon that video there. Now, you see this? A Banan. This a come from Banan stable. You understand? And a them way ya, the man, them a roll down in a St. Lucia. So, my ask, my intel, how Messi dead. And him said, typically, him sit down underneath a tree, and you know him dead with him bike, and him relax. A man come up and give him 5 shots, and I saw him dead. Now, I am no police or whatever, but me have a good sense of logics. And let me tell my lad when me and him talk down there on the ground, this kind of look to me for him there at a spot and a kickback, that mean him relax. So can the enemy come at your spot? Not really. So this can be an inside job as well as it can be NEC. But to all me hear him there a chill and a relax, that means that's somewhere I'm comfortable with. And you can also have a spy in the camp, we a spy for the other side. You know, see I saw the man them programmed to blow out. With that said, like me said, the youth are Messi, him did have talent, can ride bike, him ride for St. Lucia. You see him is an artist, him doing music, and one thing you notice about that boy there, the tune where him do, you understand? Me I play it again for you, make you hear. Listen this.
You kwa yo when you coffee me ganja, bete saka fana poka, la fi me sorte sa comme fla, marcher mon camp ou kai briser baga, c'est bagay show, ou kai couiller force là, tout ça qui croit yo show et ben ça qui croit yo fou, balle tête tout ça ka pété venu tout, so pas quoi pour show et ben pas quoi pour fou.
When you hear that tune there, that boy there doing tune in the local St. Lucian French patois language. You understand? Him not do film thing like how Banan Boy do film thing, Dan Chorus. He make sure him do it in a for them own language and in a film video. Him a talk about the lifestyle, OTF, you understand, and how them live them life, money, bike, and chain. And if you notice in the video, if you notice a pair, look on the chain, look on how the man them dress, the colors them a wear, you understand, them a represent a certain thing in the OTF video. So that youth here, him nah let nobody in and him flex a certain way, you can tell from him video. So in my opinion, like me say, I can't somebody in a him camp. Cause me hear say voice note was floating around, so them tired of him. As well as it can be any see them, but me just use him video for point out my point. With that said, it's sad the man fully dunce because he want to be Hitman and want to be a national bike champion for St. Lucia, and he want to be an artist of the music. And me don't know how him a go pull all of them three careers together. It just don't make sense. But what really sad about this, you can see say the same thing has spread from Jamaica to Trinidad. Now it in a St. Lucia, and St. Lucia is like a little Trinidad. Yo, it's really sad. With that said, me gonna stay upon that story and update, you know, as me get the pictures and them thing there. And Shotty Mark, we not done with you. And Jungless, we not done with you. And the man them a yard in that thing there, we not done with you now. So, listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. It's just real sad how the man them take violence and ego feed dog after them have so much talent. Real sad.